How to empty trash on iPhone to improve your iPhone storage capacity. This can be done in various ways. So I will put you through the processes which you can use to remove trash on your iPhone and improve the space on your iPhone. The first thing you have to do is to go to the photo apps on your device, tap on it. Once you tap on it, it comes out like this. Then tap on the collection button. Then scroll up here until you get to recently deleted or deleted. Tap on it. This needs your Face ID to unlock. So tap on it and provide your Face ID and unlock it. So here is what you have. These pictures and audios and as well anything that you deleted can be here for 30 days. And this accumulates space on your iPhone. So to remove these and remove them on your iPhone, tap on select, then tap on these three dots and tap on delete all. You can as well manually pick them one after the other and tap on delete. So tap on this button and tap on delete all to delete everything here. You can see now with these guys, you'll be able to empty trash on your iPhone. The next thing you have to do is to make use of notes. Note is another way to empty trash on your iPhone. So go to the note app on your iPhone and tap on it. Once tap on it, you have something like this. Make sure you tap the back arrow here until you get to the first page, and here you're going to see recently deleted, and here I have two important things that I've deleted here, or maybe tap on it to open it. Now that I've tapped on it and open it, go ahead and tap on this edit button. Once tap on the edit button, you can see that there's a button you can tap here. There's a button you can tap to tap on this and delete, and as well you can manually delete this one after that by tapping on hold for a few seconds, then tap on delete button, or you tap on delete or to tap on delete and remove this from your iPhone. Then this, you are as well keeping some more space on your iPhone. The next setting is the text message app. On your text message app, if you deleted some messages on your app, you likely save this message on your device and it accumulates space on your iPhone. Now to empty this trash on your iPhone, go ahead and tap on the three line at the top of the screen. Now tap on recently deleted. Now you have tons of messages that you've wiped or deleted from your iPhone here. Now you can tap on this delete this basket to delete all, and where you can tap and select from the amount or among here and tap on baskets to delete them. Then you can as well tap on this basket to delete every messages here. Tap on it to turn away or to delete them. Then with these guys, you'll be able to empty trash on your iPhone and as well improve the storage space on your iPhone. The next thing you have to take a look at is the mail app on your iPhone. Actually, I use email on my account. So if you use mail on your iPhone, you can empty trash on the mail built on iPhone to improve your storage capacity on your iPhone. Locate and tap on the mail app on your device. And here is what you see my message. Then tap this back arrow until you get to trash button here. Tap on it. Once tap on that trash button, it comes out like this. Then tap and hold for a few seconds. Then scroll up from here. You see delete message. Tap on this delete message. This will empty trash on your mail account or mail app, thereby free up space on your device. So now we've been able to give you about 4 means of emptying trashes on your iPhone. The next one is the file app on your iPhone. A lot of iPhone users ignore this thing and it occupies space on their device. So locate the file apps on your device and tap on it. In case you are unable to get this, tap on the search bar, then type in file here. Then the file app will come out, then tap on the file apps. Now irrespective of what brings out, make sure you tap on the back button here 2 or 3 times until it brings to this interface where you have access to all these. Then go ahead and tap on recently deleted. Tap on it. Here I have 2 files here that I want to delete, so we're going to delete them one after the other. You can as well tap on these 3 dots, then tap on select. Then you can as well now tap on this and delete it. You can see that 2 items has been selected. Then you can as well tap and hold for a few seconds and delete them one after the other. If you are very sure of what you are doing, then tap and delete them one after the other. So with these guys, you'll be able to empty trash on your iPhone. The last but not the least on this process is to make sure of the settings icon. Here you're going to as well empty trash on your iPhone. So locate the settings icon on your device and tap on it. Once tap on it, then go ahead and tap on general. Under general, locate what is called iPhone storage. Tap on it. Once tap on iPhone storage, here is a breakdown of the storage capacity on your iPhone. The first one here is what is called offload unused app. If you're unable to offload unused app, you're going to save about 10.8 gigabytes on this device. Then the next one is review your photo and video, and this is going to take about 3.03 gigabytes on this. So in total around 40 point something gigabytes on my iPhone. So now if you scroll up a bit, you have them here as it may be. You have the YouTube, the photo and others. So for example, let's take a look at CapCut as well. Now here is CapCut. If you tap CapCut, two things happen here. If you tap on delete, this will remove this app completely on my device. Yes, it removed the app completely on my device. But if you tap on offload, this will delete this app on my device but still keep all my data, my login details intact. And if I remove that, you can see that document and data about 1.26 gig will be removed from this, thereby improve the size of my iPhone capacity. So if you're able to do all this, two things happen. One, your iPhone will run faster because more space for your iPhone to breathe. The second thing is that you'll be able to keep more space. So there's no need for you to buy space on from the iCloud. So if you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.